In the siege of Syracuse, ancient engineers allegedly deployed a sneezing smoke screen that turned a tense stalemate into a comedy of errors for the besieging forces. The plan relied on piles of burning resin and damp shrouds to billow thick smoke, while carefully orchestrated signals fooled attackers about the fortress's true defenses. As panic rose, defenders exploited the confusion with rapid counterattacks and smart timing that shifted momentum without a massive blood toll. Historians debate the method, but the enduring image is a wheezing army chasing phantom corridors of smoke. The tale ends as the smoke clears, and a hard-won resilience proves strategy can be as entertaining as it is effective.